Impossible meat is finally available nationwide to consumers, and I couldn't be more excited. So we figured what better way to test this than to put it in a few meat-centric dishes. We are making Impossible Meatloaf, Impossible Meatballs, and an Impossible Slider. Now, one note before we get started, this is a 3/4 pound package, that's how it comes. And that already makes me feel a certain way. And the price for this 3/4 pound package is that of a higher end creme de la creme plant-based beef. It's $8.99 for this. But you know what? I look at this as more of a treat, so I'm not gonna eat this every day. So, with all that being said, let's get cooking.
There's smoke in the kitchen. The alarm. Emergency. Smoke alarm silenced.
All right, we're gonna try the meatloaf. So I have to say, it scared me a little bit when I first saw it. I was like, that's a lot of meat. The outside has a nice crispy texture. It's moist inside, it's not dried out. That's good. Usually, you know, the meatloafs that you see that are bad, they're usually super dry, I think. The glaze is delicious, slightly sweet. It's been a long time since I've had a meatloaf, so I don't really know what to compare it to. It's a very good, meaty thing. It's a little scary to someone who's not used to making meatloaf, but it is good. Okay, let's try the meatballs. I'm gonna try one without the marinara first. So this recipe calls for 3/4 pound of beef and then 1/4 pound of pork. I used Light Life sausage, so it's a little bit more sausagey obviously than just plain pork, but man, these are good. I know the one with the sauce is gonna be good too. These are delicious. They're super meaty, because you know, they're meatballs, pretty light seasonings, but that's all it needs. All right, I could eat this entire plate. By the way, the Parmesan that I used was the Violife. That's the best Parmesan I've ever had. Like, it tastes legit like Parmesan. All right, now that the kitchen is safely not catching on fire, let's try the sliders. They actually do remind me very much of like a White Castle slider, mainly because of the thickness, the onion, and you know, the pickle. These are really good. It's clear that you can use Impossible meat for just about anything. All of the things that we tried today were fantastic, delicious. The meatloaf and the meatballs were both America's Test Kitchen recipes. I just veganized them, so I'll put them down below. And then this is just a basic slider how-to recipe that I found online. Overall, getting to make Impossible meat at home and anything you want is a great thing, because I think this will really open up people to trying it. I really think that you would have a hard time believing that this isn't meat. And quite frankly, I think these are becoming available at the perfect time. So you have my recommendation, go out and get it. I got mine at Kroger, don't know where else it's gonna pop up, but I know for sure lots of Krogers have them. Yeah, so I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up, I would love you for it. Make sure to subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.